We are at 124 Wisconsin Ave. This is right across from Grace Lutheran in Tomahawk. This is a city home. Has a corner lot, so you border an alley on one side, an alley on that side, and so you have one neighbor to the back here. Yeah, I guess out to the one side there beyond the fence. This is a nice little deck in the back. Storage shed, good sized backyard, partly fenced. So you come in the porch. This is a really nice 3-season porch, I would call it, with half log accents. Got a little swing there. You come in the entryway, and you've got a nice entryway closet, little spot to put a bench and maybe some locker systems. This is the large kitchen. It's got the nice big breakfast bar, dishwasher, gas stove. There is a window that they are going to leave with the home right there for somebody to install. There is a full bath. There's a toilet behind there. Full bath with tub. And this is the main level laundry. That door goes out to that deck. That goes down into the basement. We'll go show that later. You walk into the dining room, so formal dining room area. This is a main level bedroom. This was made into a bedroom. There is a door that goes outside, and there's a big walk-in closet they created. So there is a window there that maybe could be getting rid of if you were to reside. But they wanted a bedroom on the main level, so that is that. Could be an office. And then this is living room. Nice big living room. These windows have been replaced. Most of the windows have been replaced. Storage closet there. This goes upstairs. So you come up the stairs, they go up, and then there's a landing, and then they come up. And then this is call it the main bedroom. They had a little tile area here because they used it for an office, but really nice big windows in here. It's a huge bedroom. And then this is the small office playroom. This is another bedroom. So bedroom number 3, if you wanted to call that little bedroom a bedroom, it could be a small nursery. So this goes into another bedroom. This does not have a closet. Maybe you could figure out something over here. And then we got another full bath. And so this has an attic access there. This is kind of older flooring here. There's carpet in the other bedrooms. Nice little bookcase there. This is a good size closet there. Like I said, most of those windows are replaced. Basement steps, and this is a partial basement under the main part. Hot water heater there. Most of the electrical, looks like new wires have been run. And this is an old, exit that is probably over I think this is over where they put the laundry. So that's new plumbing coming in here, which is good. And then that goes out to the city. And furnace had been upgraded at one point, not sure how the age of that is. And then there's crawl space under, that dining room area and living room and that other office. So there is concrete block on the outside that was crawl space, for those additions.